How to issue validated e-invoice to customers. Today we will learn how to efficiently create and issue sales invoices that include an e-invoice QR code for your customers, ensuring compliance and ease of verification. QNE software has a quick and easy solution for you. First, in e-invoice transaction example sales invoice, once user selected the customer, system will display e-invoice require fields in customer tab. Users should update the required fields to avoid submission failures. Step 2. When you save the transaction, the system will mark the status as pending. You can only click the Submit e-Invoice button after saving. Notes: the system checks e-invoice required fields when you click the Submit e-Invoice button. For an extra level of checking, tick Enable Transaction Validation Control setting in e-invoice settings. If enabled, the system will check required fields upon saving. Third, click on the Submit e-Invoice button. A pop-up screen will appear which will let user confirm the details before submitting for validation. Click Confirm to proceed with the validation. Then fourth, system will first be changing the status as submitted. And finally, the status will change to valid with the unique identified number. Fifth, click on Preview. By default, system already have format Sales Invoice with e-Invoice QR. Click on it. The e-invoice information is displayed at the footer. User can scan the QR code on the sales invoice to view the e-invoice status in My Invoice portal. 6. Here's the e-invoice generated from My Invoice portal. 7. Go back to the sales invoice and refresh the screen. System display the info button at the unique identified number column. Click on it. System displays LHDN details of this transaction. Notes: system displays the error invalidated result tab if the status is invalid. Click on the QR code tab, then click on the e-invoice info URL. The system will divert to My Invoice portal as the output as step number 6. Click on Document. System will display the XML file of this invoice. And that's how you can issue validated e-invoice to customers in quick and easy steps. For more information, click the link below to download this steps in the PDF form. See you in our next video. QNE Optimum, your trusted partner in simplifying accounting. E-Invoice ready.